Hey there, Portia here. So today I am working on personalizing these stockings. So I actually have 2 in red and 2 in green. So I was at the Dollar Tree the other day just looking for stuff. You know, you can just go there and buy stuff that you totally don't need. And I came across these. So I was immediately attracted to them because they are blingy. But once I got them home, I'm like, I like them, but let's go ahead and personalize them. So today all I need is these stockings, and I'll be using some gold as well as Silver HTV, and we are going to get some names put on these cute little blingy stockings. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into Design Space. All right, so in order to personalize our stockings, I just want to add some names. Now I went to thefont.com, found a couple of fonts that I like. So let's go ahead and find the first one. I downloaded it to my system. And the area that we're working in, which is the white part of all of the stockings, is approximately 6 by 3. So no matter what I do, I don't want to go outside of that. The first font is called Bobble Monogram. And I thought it was super cute. And I am going to make 2 names in that font. All right, and that looks good. All right, I'll go back in, make the second name. Oopsie, don't know how to spell my own child's name. All right, that's cool. So like I said, let's not exceed the area, which is 6 by 3. So this one is gonna be 5 by a little under 1 inch. I want it to be a little bit bigger than that without skewing it too much. All right, that looks good for that one. And this one can stand to be a little bit bigger, again, without making it look too skewed. All right, I like that. So the second font, let's get a new text box going on here. The second font that I got from the font is called, let's see, Christmas Bell. And let's see if I can find that one. Is this one. So it doesn't look like anything before you actually type it in. So the reason why I like this is because it has holly in it. So if you use the parentheses, you'll get the little holly first. And then I'm going to type my name here. And then use the closed parentheses. And, oh, the closed parentheses. And you get this, and I really like that a lot. So we are going to ungroup because I need these letters to be closer together. All right, we're good there. So let's go ahead and get the last and 4th text box added, and again we're going to do open parentheses and then close parentheses. Get a little holly in there, and then I am going to ungroup, and let's put these together. All right, so that looks good to me. Go ahead and let's see, just go ahead and weld it. And as far as size here, 2 by a little under 1, I can definitely make that bigger. And I like how the fonts match up with each other. So we have the bobbles and then the Christmas font. So they don't look like they don't belong together, so to speak. So let's also make this, my name, a little bit bigger as well. All right, so like I said, I am going to be cutting on Silver and Gold HTV. At this point, we can go ahead and take it to the mat, and when I come back, we'll be ready to iron on and take a look at our final result. All right, so I have cut out the names. I have weeded them out. So this was the Bobble font from the font. And this one, I think it was like Merry Christmas or Christmas something. I forgot that fast. But yeah, this particular HTV, I did have a hard time weeding it out because You can't see the cuts through the glitter, but I managed to just be patient and get it taken care of. So let's go ahead and iron on our first one. Kind of eyeballing it here, nothing too special. Once we get the first one done, we will move on to the rest. All right, so there we have our gold one. Got a little tag in here. Okay. And then we have our silver one. I don't know how well that's showing up, but it looks really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is finish up the other two, and then I'll show you all where I am going to hang them in the final shot. All right, so here we have it, our Dollar Tree personalized stockings. I've hung them along the banister. This is where they are going to hang out for the season. And we have one for everybody. It's all blingy the way I like. Was not sure how this was gonna turn out. I've never put HTV on top of like that fuzzy type of material, but it came out super blingy, super glittery, and you can really see it right there very well. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. Go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.